In this video, we are going to determine whether two straight lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Okay. Now, the given straight lines are going through these 2 points, 1, 2, and -3, 4. That's one pair of points, and the other pair of points is 4, -4, 1, and 7, -3. In order to determine whether two straight lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither with respect to each other, we need to find the slopes of these straight lines, and that's going to be done by using the slope formula. Let's call this slope M1 is equal to y2 minus y1. So let's call this one y2, 4, minus y1, which is 2, divided by x2. If I call this one y2, this must be x2, -3, minus x1, which is this one, 1. So that gives me 2 on the numerator, -4 on the denominator, and that gives me -1/2. So my M1 is equal to -1/2. That's equal to my M1. Now, in exactly the same way, let me find the slope of the second line, which is M2. And that is going to be, so let's call this one y2, -3, minus y1, which is 1, divided by x2, which is 7, minus x1, which is -4, this number. Now we are going to simplify it. -4 in the numerator, 7 plus 4, because these two minuses, when multiplied, they're going to give you plus. So it's going to be -4 over 11. That's my M2. Obviously, my M1 and M2 are not equal. That means these two straight lines are not parallel, because -1/2 obviously is not equal to -4 over 11. Now let's check whether these two straight lines are perpendicular. What we are going to do, I'm going to just take these slopes and multiply them, M1 times M2. If the result is -1, that would mean that these two straight lines are perpendicular to each other. So let's try it. -1/2 times -4 over 11. I kind of don't need to do any further calculation. This is a negative number, this is a negative number. If I multiply two negative numbers, I get a positive number. Doesn't matter what the number is. It's a positive number. But we are looking for -1. Therefore, M1 times M2 is not equal to -1. Therefore, these two straight lines under consideration are not actually perpendicular either. Therefore, they must be neither, meaning they are neither parallel nor perpendicular to each other. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.